Alright guys, so I like this one. It's not a Cadillac, but it's a Lincoln. And Lincoln would be my second choice. If I had to pick outside of a Cadillac. This one is beautiful. Beautiful black Mark III. Wow. I love this. I don't think I've ever seen... The marks to me are like so unique. And I've never seen... For me, they're almost as unique as the Cadillacs. This one is a beautiful black color. Really nice chrome. Looks like the trunk is missing some liner. Looks like they put some protective coat on it. Beautiful, beautiful black paint with nice rims. Nice interior. Obviously the engine is decked out. Looks like an Edelbrock carb. It's a beautiful car overall. Wow, this is stunning. Look at this front. It's got the eyelid, one down, one up. It's a really cool car.